packaging some doob tubes. I received the order and it was marked as a gift. So I went to the Dollar Tree and got these boxes. And then I also seen these. But it comes like, it looks like this in a 3-piece. It's really made for jewelry, but my doob tubes can fit in there, and then a free gift. It all can fit. So I got that from the Dollar Tree. And then I just put some crinkle paper in here. And then I'm just gonna use my pink ribbon to wrap it. And then in here is my sticker, my Blazin Beauty sticker. You are the heart of my business. And then it has their name on the other side of it. And then a scratch off.